Assalamualaikum. I have a client now. She is what nationality you are? Bangladesh. Or
Bangladesh.
she is Bangladesh. He's suffering for the lower back. He go to the doctor, give only dawa, and then he cannot sleep well because of his lower back. Now I finish his therapy for him. Now he's the one to say what happened to my therapy. He's become good now. Okay, kalam.
Assalamualaikum. Alhamdulillah. Wal alam katir. Dehna da wallah da muzmut. Dehna da kuis.
Okay, you can make this one. Let me show him to him. No, you make like lay down like this. Look, you see, you can make this one, but no pain. Okay, and then can you run? Run. You run now. Run. Aywa, yalla, solo. You see? You see? He can run now. You see, it's better now. Before he cannot do that one, even he walk a little bit, they have pain. So what you said, brother? Are you good now? Alhamdulillah, it's good. Thumbs up.
Alhamdulillah, wallah good.
Aywa. Is this one? Okay, thank you.